This laboratory is for E542 assignment 10, and the topic of this lab assignment is to do the diseases data from the portal followed by this PDF and process them, and then train the data and get our predictions. And first we need to download the data from the data portal. We have done it through, we did not download it through the GDC client, but with from the website directly. And here is the files, the JSON, and then I get this metadata. Then around we we wrote the source code to request the meta pattern to get the metadata for the files and corresponding cases. There are two files with file fields and case fields respectively. And now I run this code. Here's the GDP. Okay. Oh, GDP master 0. And use this is request. Yes. It will take several minutes to process the data, and we can first cases and files. Cases. Files, case fields. Yeah, we can first delete this one. Oh, we can see the. Okay, we can first delete these two files and run again. Here we can see the files matter and the cases matter. Now we can see our resource code. We define these fields in the parameters, and then open the files, and then use this particular process to pre-process our data. Here we can see our files. We can choose one to open it to have a look. Next step is to generate the MIRA matrix. Here is our files matter, which is the same as this one. Yeah, MRA, yeah. The data tab, cases, file name. And then we use this code to get here, because there is a little cases. We should change the we did not change. We should change the files. We did not change the files. So we have changed our code from the source code provided from our TA, and here is the request method. And first we can delete this one. Yes. And we can then run. This is our request method. Okay, go back to this cd gdp p1. And we run the request method. Oh, sorry, we should not run. We should run this code, the generate MRA. Here's the code that we have changed for the code provided by the TA, and this is our output file, and this is the input files. We extracted this is the label file. Oh, it seems there are some problems. I think it's this reason. I should do this one. Okay, at first I delete this. Uh, yes. Here you can see the oh, this is the GDC log that we generate, and then we will see after it process this data, you can see the output file, the MRA matrix.cvs. Yeah, here we can see the file is generated successfully, and it seems to run still run for several minutes. Here we can first look at the code of the next step, which is for prediction of our processed data, and this is the data file that we have generated. Yeah, we have finished, and we use these labels to find the data, and here is the mode that we have established. It's the carrots and the TensorFlow we downloaded and installed in the computer, not in the Amazon cloud. And here is the activation functions value that we used, and the other activation function is softmax. And then we use the binary cross chop the algorithms to predict our model. And here we can run the code, and the code file is not here. Oh, I should copy it from the is this code. Okay. Python 3. We can see the TensorFlow backend is started, and we can see the loss rate and the accuracy of our prediction model. It's very high with the percentage 96, 35. It's the same that we did in our slide. There are 30 trainings. The prediction of each training is is high and very close to the 100 percentage. Okay, that's all for this live. Thank you for viewing.